This is Sandy. Sandy is a vegetarian for 2 years. She likes to combine fruits and vegetables at the same meal to get complete nutrition. In the morning, she has banana, carrot, lettuce, pineapple, and a little bit of honey. At lunch, she prepared lettuce, 4 cups of black rice, 1 cup of beans, and watermelon. After eating, she feels very full and drowsy at school. What could be the root cause of her drowsiness? In order to answer that question, let's take a look at composition of fruits and vegetables, physiology of digestion, and causes of drowsiness. Composition of fruits and vegetables. Fruit has fructose and carbohydrates, while vegetables contain small amount of protein. Acidity and sugars are 2 main elements which determine the taste of fruit. The sugar-acid ratio is very often used in order to give a technological characterization of fruits and of some vegetables. Physiology of digestion. Digestion of fruits takes 3 hours, while digestion of vegetables takes 4 hours. Fruits are processed 1 hour in stomach, while vegetables are processed longer than 1 hour before they proceed to small intestine. If you combine fruits and vegetables at the same meal, the acid compound between these two will conflict in the stomach, causing gas. The body would take time to digest the fruits because of the presence of sugar. Sugar in any form clogs the system. This results to fermentation, which leads to conversion of compounds into an acid or an alcohol, which is toxic to our body. Causes of drowsiness. Overeating, even healthy foods, exhaust the digestive system. The gut has many nerves that is connected to our brain. When your digestive organs are exhausted digesting too much food, you too feel the same way. So instead of combining fruits and vegetables at the same meal, Sandy should try fruits in the morning. Banana, lettuce, pineapple, and she may add nuts. Lettuce is neutral, so it can be paired with fruits and vegetables. Have vegetables at lunch. Take lettuce. Reduce 4 cups to 1 cup black rice. Instead of 1 cup, take 1/2 cup of beans. Avoid eating too much, it limits mobility of stomach to digest the food properly. Adequate quantity of food will prevent Sandy from being drowsy. To learn more, get the full course. This course will give you a complete understanding on how our body functions in order to cure your illness today in a simple and holistic manner.